Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record 1080p FHD in 30 fps and 60 fps in OBS Studio application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my OBS Studio application, and first of all we need to go to the setting right here. Tap on this setting and we're going to go to the video setting. In this video setting, we have to customize the canvas, scaled, downscale filter, and also common FPS values. And for the canvas, you have to choose this resolution. Make sure you have selected this 1920p by 1080p. And for the output resolution or the scaled, you have to choose the same resolution with the canvas. You can click on this little arrow and then select the 1920 by 1080p. Okay, and now the output resolution has the same resolution with the canvas. And for the common FPS values, there are two common frame rate when doing 1080p recordings, 30 fps and 60 fps. 30 fps is for demos, video presentation, or on camera stuff. Meanwhile, the 60 fps is for high resolution trailers, gameplay, or any videos that have lots of motion going on. And I'm gonna go with this 30 fps, and after that we're going to click on apply and then click on OK. Okay, and after the setting is done, you will be able to record your video. Just click on this plus button and select the display capture and click on OK. And then click on OK again. And then you're going to add the audio output capture. Select audio output capture, click on OK, and click on OK again. And then you're going to click on start recording. Alright guys, and that's all the way to record 1080p FHD and 30 fps and 60 fps in OBS Studio. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.